Hello everyone, today I'll walk you through how to fix Bluetooth and wireless mouse that keep disconnecting in Windows. Let's start with step 1, restarting Windows Explorer. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Next, press Tab, then use the arrow keys to highlight Windows Explorer. Once it's set selected, press Alt plus R to restart it. Sometimes this alone fixes the mouse disconnecting issue. Now for step 2, checking your device settings and updating the driver. Go to the Start menu, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand the Bluetooth list and double-click your mouse device. In the new window, go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and then click OK. If you're using a wireless mouse, repeat this step under Mice and Other Pointing Devices. While you're at it, also expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Double-click each USB root hub and make the same change there. Make sure to repeat this for all USB root hub entries you find. Still in Device Manager, find your mouse under either Bluetooth or Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click it and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. If that doesn't work, right-click again and select Update Driver. Then choose Browse My Computer for Drivers. After that, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers, and then click Next. Once you're done, go ahead and restart your PC. Now let's move on to step 3, disabling USB Selective Suspend. Open Edit Power Plan from the Start menu. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings. From the list, expand USB settings and then select USB Selective Suspend setting. Set it to disabled. After that, click Apply, then OK. Now for step 4, restarting the Bluetooth support service. Open Services from the Start menu. Scroll down. Find Bluetooth Support Service and double-click to open it. Set the startup type to automatic. Then click Start, followed by Apply and OK. And that covers all the methods I recommend. Let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to like, share, or subscribe.